Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys techno phone setting guys, and today we will try to guys how to fix the screen double tap problem. Friends, you want to fix guys your screen double tap problem. So friend, how to fix today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friend, how to fix double tap screen problem. First you can see when you double tap on your screen and when you again double tap your screen on and off with double tap. So friends, you want to fix this problem. So friend, how to fix today friends, we are going to talk about one by one and step by step. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to fix this double tap screen on and off problem. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface in your technophone device. So how to fix guys double tap screen problem. Friends, you will have to click on guys your phone special function setting guys, click on guys your special function setting, and friends you can see guys your game mode smart panel setting. Guys, you want to use game mode, you can on and use from here. Smart panel setting guys, shortcut setting guys, you want to on, so you can on and you can use guys the shortcut setting from swipe right side. So friends, you can see guys your micro setting guys, click here. So I first is that guys quick start, and guys second is tapping wake. So guys click on your tapping wake, and then you can see this double tap screen problem guys, you can fix from here guys. Off guys your double tap means this tapping wake setting. So guys you can see guys when you will double tap on your screen, and guys you can see lock screen will not off, screen will not turn on with double tap. So guys, you will have to click on your power off button to on and off your screen. So like that guys, we can fix guys this double tap problem in Oppo phone or guys with Technophone device from special function setting is special function micro setting guys, tapping wake setting is on. So guys, only you will have to off your problem will solve. So like that guys, we can fix this double tap to on screen problem in our Technophone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, to even doubt guys related to guys your Technophone, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.